What does it mean when your partner is restless and thoughtful? An expert reveals the meaning of this and other attitudes that men have. You will be surprised. Perhaps, lately you have noticed that he is restless and thoughtful, and as much as you ask him the reason for that, he answers you that everything is fine, but for you, it is not an answer because you keep seeing him the same. If you want to clear your doubt, now we share what it means when your partner is restless and thoughtful. I assure you it's nothing bad. And you will not let me lie when I say that men are harder to read than we are, and sometimes it is difficult to know if they are thinking about positive or negative issues. Fortunately, specialists such as Helen Fisher, an anthropologist at Rutgers University in the United States, have revealed that when a man is in love he has different moods, such as euphoria, insomnia, rapid breathing and even lack of appetite. What does it mean when a man is restless and thoughtful? If you notice him that way, you may feel that he is distant or that he is not interested in you, but a study published in Live Science says otherwise, since its findings suggest that men in love spend more than 85% of their waking hours thinking or meditating on their partner. There you have it. If you have seen that he is thoughtful and when you ask him if there is something wrong with him he says no, he is simply thinking of you. And if in addition to seeing him thoughtful you also notice him restless, it means that he likes you too much. For example, if he grabs his hair, plays with his hands or moves his foot, is a sign that he is attracted to you. Things a man in love does. Not only when there is love they are restless and thoughtful, but they also have other attitudes with which they imply that they have given you their heart. Does your partner have them? 1. Looks you in the eyes. Making eye contact is a sign of attraction. If your partner keeps his eyes on you for a long time, it means he likes you, and the longer he looks at you, the studies say, it's because he feels more attracted to you. 2. Trusts you. If he shares his secrets and intimate thoughts with you, it is because he is really interested. He knows that you are trustworthy and will open his heart to you. 3. Imitates you. Perhaps, you have already spent a lot of time together and that is why he mimics some of your gestures, attitudes or ways of speaking. This is a sign that he loves you and that he also admires you. 4. Walks by your side. Men tend to slow down when they are accompanied by the woman they love. Helen Fisher also revealed that a man really in love is able to change his style of dress, his gestures, habits, and values to be more interested and please his beloved. If you want to learn more about what does it mean when your partner is restless and thoughtful, click or tap the link on or below this video to download my free ebook, How to Get a Man to Love You.